I'm happy that I won. Ooh, a little card. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jessica. Welcome to part 9 of me unboxing packages that I recently received. Oh, okay, I see a little, you see this? Okay. I see a little sneak peek of what this is. Okay. Oh my gosh. The Unhoneymooners by Christina Lauren. Oh my gosh! I entered this giveaway and I really wanted to read this book, so I'm happy that I won. Ooh, a little card. Yeah. I love the cards. My favorite part of the giveaways are the cards. It says, "Hello friend." That's so cute. Okay. Oh cool! It opens up like this and then like this. Hi Jess! I hope that you enjoy the Unhoneymooners as much as I did. Thanks for following. Congratulations on winning this giveaway. At Book Talk W Megan. I love that. I really want to read this book. It's been on my TBR for a while now and I've heard really good things about Christina Lauren, so I'm super excited to read it. This cover is so beautiful. Also, I love the side, the blue here. I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you again, Megan, for this beautiful book. I'm so excited to read it. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, anything you want. Subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, and until next time, I'll see you later.